Om Shri Sai Ram. We are standing below the Vatabhriksha which was laid over here on 23rd November 2020, and the Vatabhriksha has grown big today. The villagers are so happy that the village has also prospered. There is a school which has come, and ever since the Vatabhriksha has come here, they have found there is a lot of samruddhi over here in this village. Truly, this is a Kalpavriksha. Sai Ram.
पांडुरंग विठ्ठला
भजो भजो विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला
पंढरीनाथ पांडुरंग भजो मन 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 विठ्ठला
भजो भजो विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला परमेश्वरा सत्य साई विठ्ठला
परमेश्वरा सत्य साई विठ्ठला
परमेश्वरा सत्य साई विठ्ठला
परमेश्वरा सत्य साई विठ्ठला
रखुमाई विठ्ठला रंग साई विठ्ठला
रखुमाई विठ्ठला रंग साई विठ्ठला
रखुमाई विठ्ठला
It was a very vibrant Nagar Sankirtan. The Thane Samiti, who have adopted this village, have done a wonderful job by enthusing all the villagers in this village. The Paduka went to each and every house, and there was so much of joy and enthusiasm in all the villagers when they received the Paduka in their homes. May Swami bless them all, and may they all prosper. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Jai Sai Ram.
ईश्वरा साईनाथ विठ्ठला
परमेश्वरा सत्य साई विठ्ठला
परमेश्वरा सत्य साई विठ्ठला
रखुमाई विठ्ठला रंग 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 साई विठ्ठला
भजो भजो विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला
बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय दूत जटा में गंगाधारी
विठ्ठल भजो साई विठ्ठल भजो
विठ्ठल भजो साई विठ्ठल भजो
विठ्ठल भजो साई विठ्ठल भजो विठ्ठल भजो साई विठ्ठल भजो